Hello, I am going to be going through this PowerPoint to pick out some key elements that I want you to notice. And the PowerPoint before this one, it is to look generally at what a transformation is and how to tell the difference between different transformations. However, this one is to look more at the rules. And so when you are given an image and you're asked to transform it, what is the easiest way to do that? And the easiest way for me to use that is through rules. However, you can just look at the image as well, and you have examples of that in other videos below this PowerPoint. Okay? And so I want to look at first translation. So I'm gonna come down here, working with translations. Okay, so this is what we're given right now, is these coordinates. Okay, and so basically what it looks like, I'm going to give you an example. Translation is you have the original image and you're just moving it anywhere, wherever it tells you. Okay, and so right here it tells you in blue, translate the coordinates 5 units down and 1 unit to the right. So every single coordinate you'll do that. However, using the rule, which is right here,